Hi, I'm Joaquim Dale Ializar, and today I will show you different types of matter interact when mixing together. I will be mixing three states of substance: solid plus liquid, liquid plus liquid, and solid plus solid. Let's get started and explore what's happened. First, let's go through the first set of three substances: liquid plus solid. For the solid substance, I will use table salt, and for the liquid substance, I will use water. First, you pour water into a clear glass. Next, you mix 1 tablespoon of salt and mix using a spoon. As you can see, the salt slowly disappears into water. This happened because the salt dissolved in water, forming a solution. The solid break down into tiny particles and spread evenly in the liquid. This shows how the solid can dissolve in liquid. Next, let's go through the second set of these three substances: liquid plus liquid. For the first liquid substance, I will use some cooking oil. And for the second one, I will use some water once again. First, you pour the water into a clear glass once again. After that, pour a little bit of cooking oil into the clear glass of water. Both water and oil are liquids, but when mixed, they don't combine. Instead, the oil floats on the water. Because of this being less dense, even if I stir them together, they separate again. After a while, this shows that not all liquids mix well. In this case, they form layers instead of a single mixture. Now, let's go through the last set of three substances, which is solid plus solid. For the first solid substance, I will use some sugar. And for the second, I will use table salt. Now, let's place equally amounts of sugar and salt into a bowl.
Okay, let's go.
And now let's mix. But our solids mix them together with a spoon, and what I saw is a mixture of tiny grains of white crystals and stayed separate and didn't form a new substance. This is called physical mixture, when two solids are combined but don't react chemically. In this short experiment, we saw some substance dissolve, some don't mix at all, and some simply combine without changing their structure. Solid, liquid, and gases behave differently when mixed, and observing them help us understand the properties of matter. Thanks for watching! Again, I'm Joaquim Dale Ializar from Grade 542.